Crystal clear clarity. The built-in 2K sensor and professional-grade lens allow you to view activity in picture-perfect resolution. See visitors in sharp detail as they approach your door. No monthly fee. Designed to protect your home as well as your wallet, eufy security products are one-time purchases that combine security with convenience. All your data is stored locally, meaning you will never have to pay for cloud storage. Dual power options. Half a year of coverage from one charge or non-stop power supply via wired connection. Expanded field of view. The increased 4:3 aspect ratio ensures you get a head-to-toe view of anyone who approaches and gives you the perfect viewing angle every time. Next-level detection. Have total control over what is detected through the use of the motion sensor, smart human detection, and activity zones. Receive real-time alerts when anyone approaches so that you never miss a delivery or keep guests waiting. Top reviews from the United States. Easy setup. People you can use Wi-Fi to connect the home base to your router. Just connect by wire first, set it up in the app, then click settings and you can connect via Wi-Fi and ditch the wire. They don't make that clear in the instructions at all. The recordings this captures are so short on the auto modes, optimal battery, optimal surveillance. It stops before the people even leave the screen or finish delivering a package. To fix this, use custom and set it to max record time, 120s, and 0s. Re-trigger with the end recording early is motion is not detected option on. This is the best way to use this doorbell cam.